when I really was accepted in law school. It was really a breakthrough for me. It was a win because it was one of those long-term plans in our activity.
Welcome to another episode of Unstoppable You NLP Success Journeys. I'm your host, June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer and a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach. Now, in this podcast, we uncover the extraordinary stories of transformation powered by neurolinguistic programming. Today, we're diving deep into one life changing journey that started with a drive for excellence and being the best in what he does. Imagine flipping the script and discovering a version of yourself that's unstoppable. That's the power of NLP, and that's what we're exploring today. Now, allow me to introduce our guest for this evening. Robert Mendoza is a dedicated teacher, law student, and certified neurolinguistic programming practitioner. With a passion for education and self improvement, he uses NLP techniques to enhance his learning and teaching methods. As a law student, NLP has helped him manage stress, improve focus, and build effective communication skills, which are essential for both his academic journey and future legal career. Robert's integration of NLP into his life allows him to stay motivated, break through mental barriers, and achieve his goals with greater clarity and confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Sir Robert. How are you since I think 2022, right? That was
Yes.
2022. Grabe, it's almost 3 years na.
Yes, yes, Doc. It was 2022 when we decided to believe in NLP with your guidance, Doc. And it was
Amazing.
really a wonderful journey with you, Doc.
Amazing. How are you so far, no? This past 3 years, Sir Robert?
Well, the past 3 years with the Doc medyo challenging, and it was years of winnings because of the techniques that we were able to learn here sa NLP. Because NLP really taught us, my batch that time, on how are we going to use that technique for us to achieve the things that we once thought impossible.
You know what? I would just commend you, Sir Robert. I've seen you before, no, and how you were such an introvert. You were just inside yourself, and then right now with how you are speaking with the confidence, I could feel the confidence talaga when you're speaking, Sir Robert. No, parang ibang level. Parang 10x from the Sir Robert that I first met last 3 years ago.
Recently, I am a law student. It's a dream that I thought I can't achieve, or I thought I will never at least try doing it. But with the help of the techniques here in NLP, with the help of God, where I was able to enroll, and now I'm a second year law student.
Thank you, Lord. It's all because of the Lord then, so,
Yeah,
no, with the guidance of the Lord. And alam mo, with the tools and techniques that you have right now with NLP, how to communicate better with other people, it would complement you being a lawyer.
yes, yes, that's true, Doc. It's a big help, especially the technique in building rapport. It really helped me a lot.
Alam mo, even for me, we I think it's unconscious. Parang we get to connect with anyone. Yung parang wala,
Yes,
without
true.
any judgment, no? Because we respect the person's model of the world. We don't
Mhm.
already, kumbaga dati, we judge people pa based na nakikita
Yes,
natin. But right now, we give people a clean slate in our life. No
that's
matter what their background, and we can just talk to them and just be ourselves. Just be ourselves, no? Because perception is projection, eh. We know that
yeah,
if parang natitrigger tayo, that must be our insecurity, not them.
that's correct, Doc. And because of that, we learn that we must adjust, we must listen, we don't judge, we listen and we value those things. And because of that, we were able to connect to people that we never thought we be able to make some connections.
How are you right now as a teacher? Because I know that you're a teacher, right?
Yes, yes, Doc. I'm a Currently, I was now a department chair in our area, department head in our school, handling 17 or crossing teachers, around 20 teachers. It helps me a lot in, well, technically before I was just an introvert teacher. I will just teach. Don't have that um, capabilities to communicate, to connect with parents. But because of the skills I have learned here, because of those things that I was able to understand that NLP taught me with you, of course, Doc June, I was able to communicate well. I was able to understand the teachers, the need of the teachers, the need of my students, and the need of the administration. So I think I was able to balance. That's why they were able to see something in me that they said, we will give you this position.
Alam mo, ano yung nafe-feel ko ngayon sa Robert? Goosebumps. Literally, my hair are just standing now. Hearing you with that certainty and confidence, Sir Robert, parang yeah, I'm just so thankful and grateful, no? Because 3 years, that's a long time that we
Mhm.
last saw each other, and I could see you just checking out our chat, and then just being there, no? And right now, with the wins that you're sharing with us, syempre hindi naman magiging perfect yung buhay natin. There will be a
Yeah.
lot of challenges along the way, and we know now how to face the challenge. 'Di ba? Hindi na tayo dati yung parang dadrama-drama diyan, iyak-iyak diyan. Yeah, may mga
Yeah.
times na 2 to 3 days, 4 days, or even weeks then yung challenge natin. But with the tools that we can already process it. No, what
Mhm.
is it teaching me? How can I be better? How can I also create a difference in other people's lives? And it's so amazing that you are a department head. No,
Yes, yes, Doc
department
June.
head.
Yes. That's right, Doc June. Life is not always beautiful. Life is not about perfect life. No, we also have problems. We encounter difficulties. But I think one thing that I noticed since the time, no, this is my personal experience, no. The time I joined NLP and the time before NLP, my coping mannerism when I am facing difficult tasks is really different. Difficult situation is really different. Before, you're right. I will just have my tantrums. I will just go out, exit, and don't mind other people. But now I am now facing them. We tend I tend to understand more because again, it's because of the techniques, the lessons that we have here, how to understand the mindset, the character of other people that really help us a lot. No? Nakatulong siya, Doc Jun. Especially that in an organization, there are those who really it's a mixture. It's a mixture of personality, whether it's from specific very specific to big picture or big picture to very specific. So I still apply that, Doc
Yeah.
June. So that's why I was able to group these people, and then what made me able to easily cope is that I am becoming the bridge of this group of individuals in order for us to unite and work together. I think that's the biggest change that I have seen in myself as a graduate, let me say, of the NLP training that we had last 2022.
You know what, Sir Robert, you need to start giving talks. You need to start giving talks in different schools, not only in your school, no, but you need to really present yourself and just give talks about this. No, how were you able to apply NLP in the context of teaching?
Yeah, yes,
Also in
yes.
that organization, because it's really powerful that we use NLP in different contexts in our life, right? For me, it's more
Mhm,
on trainings, more on public
mhm,
speaking, more on when I give talks. And
mhm,
for you naman, you use NLP in for your teaching and your law and also in organization.
mhm.
So iba-iba. And it's so amazing that you were able to, kumbaga, apply the hierarchy of ideas and in
Yes.
the most practical aspect, Sir Robert, you're the epitome of an NLP practitioner that is in the academe. You have been a teacher and right now you are department head and you've seen it work. You've been very specific with the technique rapport building, mirror
Yes.
and matching, right? And hierarchy of
Correct
ideas that
ideas.
there are people who are very specific, big picture. And I'm sure that you also use metaphors and meta models.
Yeah,
You ask
meta
questions.
models actually. Actually, the meta models and metaphors were really good when I'm creating clarity with the teachers. No metaphors, meta models, and I often include also reframing if needed, in order for really them to really see what I'm leading them to. So that's a big aspect, or the big techniques that I am using, and so far it's effective.
So if you apply the tools in your organization, then most probably your organization will also level up, right? 3 years time, right? 3 years time, you've
Yeah, in
been
3 years
able
time.
to kumbaga, no, break it down and really apply it in your life. Kasi that's really the main purpose of our program. Eh. It's not for you to get certified. Eh. It's really for you to be able to use it in your day-to-day life to make your life better. And right now, second year law. No, next time baka
Yes.
may law firm ka na.
But well, nothing is impossible with God.
Yes, right? Yes, yes. Even for
That's
me,
always
right?
the mindset.
Yeah, even for me, no, who would have thought na master trainer na ako ngayon? And last
Yes.
time, I was just starting out as a trainer
Mhm.
when we met, no?
Yes, Doc.
So
I think we were the second batch that time.
yes,
Yeah,
March.
we were the
That was
second
March.
batch.
Yeah.
Yes, and now how many batches were able to finish the training? And now you produce a lot. No, you really making a big difference in our community.
It's
So
all
it
because of
really
the
helps.
Lord, Sir
Yes,
Robert. No,
true.
tayo, you know that, right? We've been talking about that, no, our service for the Lord, and
Mm-hmm.
we are just kumbaga servants of the Lord, and we maximize our strengths and we use our talents to and gifts to help other people. And maganda sa atin kasi yung talent natin, nako-compensate din tayo. No, we get
That's right. That's right.
compensated.
That's true. Yes, and aside from that, Doc June, no, you mentioned about me being a law student. Would like to share this because I also apply NLP as a law student. In fact, well, technically we're facing difficulties. We have to hurdle lots of readings, things, uh, and it becoming more impossible. That's something that my classmates are always telling me. It's impossible for us to do this. Impossible for this. And I tried to use the reframing. I tried to use the reframing on them, and this past few months, I keep on really, this group of friends. I keep on really reframing, do the reframing, do the anchoring, and now they're saying no. There's no impossible. We can do this. As I go, wow! If as a student I was able to help my fellow students in law school, how much more if there will be opportunities for many of us who are learning NLP to help people, no? So I think it's a big impact really in our community, or in our, well, in our own specific fields. So that's how important that we must trust, and we must trust the process and learn really NLP.
Amazing, Sir Robert. Imagine, di pa tayo nagsa-start niyan, ha? Alam mo,
Yeah.
that's so amazing because one thing that I've noticed when we become NLP practitioners, and we really did the process talaga, is that it just becomes second nature.
That's
Parang we
true.
don't think about NLP. It just parang it just kumbaga we just speak NLP, we just act NLP, we just think NLP, and then nasya-shock na lang tayo that when we talk or when we act, people kumbaga there's a positive effect in the lives of other
Yes, that's right.
people.
We don't label it as NLP anymore, because I think we learn how to live it. Kumbaga, isinabuhay na. This is us now. So that's why it's easy for us to share, because we live already the learnings, the techniques that we learn from this program.
Amazing. And I would just like to honor where I learned the techniques now because their process is really so powerful because we deal more with the unconscious mind, right?
Mm-hmm.
That we kumbaga we install it in the unconscious mind. We
Mm-hmm.
really reprogram the unconscious mind to work for us. Kumbaga dati parang sinasabotahe tayo na unconscious mind natin pero this time around we can just let our unconscious mind hindi, no? This is what I want. This is this is what I want you to support me with, and then let's
Mm-hmm.
give our best towards that, no?
That's right. We
So
we have that clarity.
I agree. Clarity is very important. The good thing about clarity is when you discover clarity in your life, kumbaga wala ka nang pakialam. Yung
That's
parang,
right.
"Ah,
That's
this is what
all.
I want, no? I don't care what you say, and this is what I want. I'll go after
Yes.
this."
Mhm.
No, even if people would say, "Hey, parang ang busy-busy mo na, saan ka maghanap ng resource?" This is what I want. It will come, no? It will.
Yes, that's right.
Can you take us back to the moment when everything changed in your life? Yung before you met me, before you enrolled, what was the breaking point or wall that you were facing during that time?
That was, let's go back a year before 2020. That's 2021. I was really so empty. I felt empty during the time. Lots of fears, lots of doubts. I don't know what will happen. And besides, I think that's also the time where everything is topsy-turvy. Everything is parang walang kasiguraduhan. That's the time that I am losing my mind. I'm losing my faith in myself. I think that's the biggest moment that I realized, no, I have to stop this. I have to make a change, no? So that was the time na kailangan ko na talagang, I mean, I needed it. So I trusted everything. I prayed to God, and I think God sent me this NLP to really change those things, no, to answer my prayers, to help me go out from this situation. So that was the 2021, and then it ran to early 2022 January, when I came across, it was just a Facebook post. It was just a Facebook post that I saw, and then I said, "Uy, parang maganda to." I had to research, and when you search the net before, that was 2022, the information was limited. There are information but I cannot understand. So sabi ko, bahala na, I will trust this. So that's the moment that I really think that I need to change.
So Robert, what were the thoughts running through your mind at that time?
The time I felt stuck. I don't know now. I don't know what to do. With regards to my work, it was affected already. My teaching, it was affected. Even the way I teach, the teachers are telling me, "Sir, what's going on?" I become a problematic way of handling students the time, because again I was succumbed with fear and doubts about myself. So I don't trust myself. So meaning to say, I cannot do my best. So and yung takot andun yung fear andoon. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, ano ba ang dapat kong gagawin? I mean, parang wala akong hindi yung time na parang wala ka ng magagawa, na parang hindi mo alam kung paano ang tama.
Yeah.
That's the thought that time.
Grabe na, hindi mo alam paano na ang tama, no?
Ano na ba ang tamang gawin? Ah, ah, I'm questioning everything. That's the thought that sabi ko, this is not good. So yun, with the help of prayers and of course God, God and family, I successfully hurdled it naman. But during the time, it was really difficult.
So Robert, how did you first hear about NLP and what made you take the leap?
I just saw a post, your post actually on Facebook. Uh, I was just it was around January, I believe, early or late December that I saw the post. But I think I contacted you, Doc June, early January, early parang somewhere there. No, I saw the post. It's about neurolinguistic. You were able. It was just a very short. I think it was a very short caption. But sabi ko, it parang may something sa program. I don't know. Maybe it's an intuition or God's message. But I just trusted everything when I saw that post. Sabi ko, this is the answer. This is what I'm praying. So I messaged you and you were able to go back. I mean to message me back. And then with your reply that time, you said if you have doubts, if you want clarity, if you want something to know more about yourself,
Mm.
to know those things that limits you. Those are the things that's what's going inside my mind, Doc June.
Mm.
That's why that when you reply that message, sabi ko, oh, this is it. So I trusted everything. Many people are saying, why? Because, well, there, of course, when you enroll, there is financial obligation during the time. So, but I don't mind. I am fully trusting this process. So that's why uh, I go through with with all of the requirements and then all of the financial obligation. I just trusted God, and God had given me the resources, and it was the right decision that I made. It really helped me a lot.
You were also helping yourself, Sir Robert, eh. The techniques work because you, kumbaga, embrace the techniques then, no? And
That's right.
that's why it's very important then we do the discovery sessions, right? Because we want to also weigh if the client is already ready, if they
Mm-hmm.
want to change, not only with the financial obligations, kasi the willingness to change din eh. Kasi
Mm-mm.
if they don't see the value there, if they are just for the certificate, wala din mangyayari,
Mm-mm.
sayang din. Now, was there a specific NLP tool or technique that immediately shifted your perspective?
Actually, it was really during the activities that
Mhm.
because in the training we have activities, Doc Jun. You let us practice. So the one there is the reframing. I mean, you let us shift our perspective through reframing, and I saw there if I can make this. That time I just trusted everything. Sabi ko, oh nga no, with reframing, I was able to shift what I'm thinking because I fully believe on the process. I trusted that activity. I trusted my partner that time. My partner was Doc Maye. We were going through that activity and then I realized na yung reframing, sabi ko, if during this time, I was able to, because ay sabi ko, ganit ito lang yung sa ano ko, itong thinking lang, maliit lang siya. Like, I doubt ng parang ganito. And then, sabi mo, just focus, just believe, and just fully trust the process. Sabi ko, and then right after that activity, ay, oo nga, ano, you will see the different side. Eh. You will see the different side. Parang from here, from the full negative, after the reframing, you will see the different side, the more positive side. And then you will anchor on that positive side. So sabi ko, oh nga no, bakit bakit ba gagawin ko nga 'to sa mga ibang mga bagay na dinadanas ko like yung doubt. Hindi na ako hindi na ako magda-doubt sa sarili ko. I will trust myself. I will trust. Inuulit-ulit ko yan, Doc June. Every time I wake up every morning, during training now, Doc June, di ba sabi mo, repeat it 3 times every day. What do you want to achieve? So I'm still doing that. Pagkagising ng umaga, I will finish all my work. I will submit everything. I trust myself. Yan ang inuulit-ulit ko yan. That's because sabi ko, I had that reframing. Now it's done. I mean tapos na yung reframing. Kailangan ko na lang siya mapanatili. So that's the thing that I'm doing. Araw-araw ginagawa ko pa rin ang reframing, and after that, every night, Doc John, actually, every night I do reframe, and then every morning kung ano yung ginawa ko ng last night, yung goal ko for that reframing, inuulit ko yan every day, yung 3 times pagkagising. So that's why sabi ko reframing is really important na for us NLP learners, or for us who are planning na mag-join ng NLP. I suggest that they must really trust the process and learn reframing up to its fullest um, uh, activities, fullest potentials, fullest lahat, kumbaga, ang kabuuan ng reframing na. Because it will really help. Even in the most trying times, magagamit siya talaga.
So Robert, can you describe the moment when you felt the breakthrough? Ano ba yung feeling?
Actually, I believe we have lots of breakthrough every day. The smallest breakthrough that we have, the smallest success that we have, up to the biggest. No, it's a stack of winnings every day. So, but when you say breakthrough, as in the biggest breakthrough
Nung time na
for
yun,
me
nung time na yun, nung time na yun.
as of the present was actually when I promotion is one, but when I really was accepted in law school. it was really a breakthrough for me. It was a win because it was one of those long-term plans in our activity.
Oh,
So that's why. So
amazing.
gumawa kami ng list ng
Yes.
mga by this time dapat ganito na, mayroon na tayong ganito. And I really made it on my sabi kasi first 5 years, then first 3 years, then this years. Ah, nilagay ko yung law school sa list ko on 5 years, 5-year plan. Eh, hindi na pa naman umabot ng 5-year plan. So, nag-take na ako ng action
Yes.
eh. 2 years pa lang. So, kaya yun, it's one of the breakthroughs. Sabi, kasi I still go back on my notes during our training. So, sabi ko, oy, ito, check na to. So, meron pa naman hindi na lahat. Siyempre, of course, hindi lahat na list doon ay na-check. But at least this law school is a breakthrough already. And passing the subject is also one of the biggest breakthrough every semesters. So, but then it's I think it is for me, Doc June. When I go back to my target, to my goals, when I check that box on law school, it was already a manifestation that what I had gone through in NLP is actually helping me really that I will be able to achieve my goals or my dreams. Because without that clarity, without that clear goals that I have set, well, naisulat ko na siya before, I don't think so I was able to take action
Yeah.
para ma-reach ko yung goal na yon. So, I think that's the biggest, for now, that's the biggest breakthrough that I was able to achieve.
Amazing. I feel also that with the tools and techniques kasi na tatanggal din natin yung mga hindrance towards what we want, right? The negative
Yes,
emotions, limiting beliefs, no, releasing all that using timeline therapy.
that's right. Oo, Doc. Because again, kung hindi ko yun alaman, I will still be on that side na, ay, ang hirap. Mahirap yan. Ang magastos yan. Ay, hindi ko kaya yan. Yung mga negative mindset ba? So, but with the right tools, the right technique, and the right mindset, nalilet go mo siya eh. And then you will be able to, hindi, kaya ko to, kahit mahirap, kakayanin ko, this is my dream, I will achieve it. You focus more, I focus more now on, hindi na siya, I acknowledge na mahirap. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi mahirap. I acknowledge na mahirap, but hindi ko ina-acknowledge ay yung impossible. Hindi siya impossible. Mahirap, but it is possible. That's the mindset that I developed this past few years.
Amazing. Alam mo, one of my dreams as well when I was still in high school was to enroll in Ateneo, Sir Robert, no? And currently right now I'm taking my MBA sa Ateneo. No,
Wow!
it's
Congrats, Doc John.
di ba? It's all thanks to the mindset that we've developed that anything is possible.
With the right tools and the right techniques, we were able to, yeah, umaabot na talaga tayo sa, I mean, personally, umaabot ako sa point na, worth it ba to? Parang mayroon talagang pumapasok. Kasi we're humans. Although we have the tools, may pumapasok pa rin ng mga negative mindset. Ang maganda lang doon is that parang you have now the reserve technique, the reserve tool. Pag pumasok siya, meron ka kagad, ay hindi, worth it to. Kaya ko to. You will always check yung positive side niya. Mahirap siya, but wala namang madali sa mundong ito. I mean, if we really wanted to have our success, we will have go through difficulty, and this difficulty will help us achieve more and give us more meaning on those things that we are trying to achieve. So, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, with this mindset, with these tools, ay magagawa ko to. Kahit mahirap, kahit hindi siya nahihirapan na, I mean, both aspect, physics sometimes, emotionally, nadidrain ka na, but you still have that tool na, ay hindi, drain ako ngayon, I will just have my rest. I will just have to do this. I will just have, hindi ako magpo-focus sa negative mindset, dito ako magpo-focus sa positive mindset. Because this will bring me closer to my dreams. So, yun eh. Without the tools in NLP, I think yun yung mas mahirap. Kasi pag pumasok yung negativity sa atin, wala tayong pang-counter.
Yeah.
Ika nga, wala tayong pang-counter. Puro ka na lang negative. Yun yung maganda doon sa NLP. Pag pumasok siya, may pang-counter ka na technique na matatanggal mo yung negativities. Some will say na, ay, hindi naman lahat matatanggal. Hindi po siya isahang process lang, no? It took me 3 years to really apply on myself, Doc Jun. Well, you, Doc Jun, you were able to practice already more than 3 years. It took me 3 years to really master some techniques. Not all. I have to be honest. Not all of the techniques that we have learned before, I na master ko because somewhere I don't have that area, no, that area to apply. But those techniques na mas nagagamit ko siya for myself, yun yung na-master ko, and those technique na na-master mo na, yun yung na ginagamit mo para sa iba. I think that's how NLP has helped me, how those experiences and those techniques na tinuro mo rin sa amin, Doc John, before, were able to help us, no, transform and see those small wins, those breakthroughs more meaningful. So those are the things na mga I'm really happy with that, and I'm really thanking God I was able to learn that sa NLP.
You need to know how to use this in your life. Bahala
Yeah.
na you don't remember the tools, the name of the tool and technique, but what's important is when you use it, you know the outcome. It's a way of life eh. NLP
Mm.
is a way of life because after 2 to 3 months, hindi mo naman talaga ma-absorb talaga yan. You need to keep on applying it, no? You keep on using it for yourself. Ikaw mismo, nakakatch mo na yung sarili mo. Uy, NLP yun na.
Mm-mm.
NLP na naman to. Then after that, ito pala yung mga effective.
I believe for my fellow NLP student graduate of this training, most of us will agree that we master the tool when we apply it within ourselves.
Yes.
Because our very self is our first, dapat first ang ating mga sarili na i-apply natin sa atin yung mga tools na yan. Because if we will not apply it sa ating mga sarili, how can we let people trust us? How can we let people trust these tools? Because we ourselves, we're not able to use it sa ating mga experiences sa araw-araw. So, that's right, Doc John. It's about time sa pag-share, ano.
Alam mo, one good thing kasi, because of the experience that you have, when you teach the tool and technique, you can back it by a story.
Yes, that's true.
Ito yung ako dati, this is my journey, then after that, ito yung tool, when I applied it in my life, ito yung nangyari sa akin, and this has been the result, right?
Mhm.
This has been the result. When I reframe myself, ito na yung nangyari sa akin. When I
Mhm.
did anchoring, imagine you anchor evening and morning. No, you do anchorings in the evenings and mornings kasi the more that you do it, the more stronger the anchor becomes.
Yes. Yes,
No?
that's
So
right.
you already, kumbaga, I will, yung mga I will mo. So sobrang lakas and it would show in your performance. How to be an effective educator and reach out to more people in your life, no? So yan yung title. I believe you need to start na, no? You need to start talaga. The more that you
I
do it, kasi the more it will become stronger yung technique sa'yo, no? After experiencing your own transformation, ano ba yung mga pagbabago na nakita mo sa personal and professional life mo?
with siguro after NLP, no, I became more positive and I became more confident in communicating in my work and in the things that I am doing. So positivity, yung naging confident ka, at saka yung pag-build mo ng relationship or rapport sa fellow, sa mga nakakasalamuha, those are the things na talagang na-improve. Talagang sa masasabi mong uh, nag that was the transformation that I have seen, no? And because of that, people will just notice na you are more approachable. Then people will say na, ay, yung tao yan, magaling yan sa mga ganitong bagay, ganito. You don't need to self-proclaim.
Yeah.
But because of the changes, the transformation, that I had. Like I became more positive, confident, and better at building rapport. People will just notice that, and people will just say na may mga nagbago sa'yo. And once people start to notice, I believe that's the biggest transformation that we as practitioners have. So yun yung sa akin eh. Kasi ngayon yung mga tao na sasabi, ay, ang iba ka na ngayon. Mas naging positive ka sa mindset. Mas naging confident ka sa mga pagharap sa mga tao, pag-deal sa mga nakikisalamuha. And ngayon mas magaling kang connect sa mga tao. Yun yung mga common na sinasabi sa akin ngayon, Doc Jun. So I believe that those are the transformation that I experienced after NLP. And then I remember when you say sa amin noon na once na may na-notice na, yun na ang start ng NLP career mo.
Imagine, ano ba? Confidence can be learned, right? Confidence
Yes.
can be learned,
Yes.
communication can be learned, building rapport can be learned. It's just a matter of wanting to learn. Wanting to
Yes.
learn lang
Correct.
talaga eh. No? It's
Willingness to learn. At saka, pag willing ka and you trust the process of NLP and the tools that we have here, I believe lahat ng gustuin na natin, yung confidence na yan, yung positivity, makukuha talaga natin because we will have that proper tool to set in our mind and that proper mindset na mag-guide talaga sa atin, Doc June, to learn all those things. So that's something that I have learned myself when I trust this journey.
Now, Sir Robert, how has your transformation inspired or impacted the people around you?
As what I've shared before earlier, no. Since when you are in an organization, maraming personality yan. Merong mga specific to big picture to specific. Halos magkakaiba ng kanilang pananaw. But when you are there and you were able to notice that, to know those things, you become a bridge. And becoming a bridge is something that with that will impact, no, magkakaroon talaga ng impact when you become the bridge where this group of people will be able to understand each other, and then they will work together as a team, and you will have to wait, and then you will just see that there are changes, and then you will see achievements in the outcome na sa mga ginagawa or sa mga output. Those are a big impact already. Now, in my case, I had experienced that. Kasi nga, I have to bridge, and then I help everybody. I let them see the clear pictures that each group is trying to show, and then they were able to understand each other, and we were able to work as a team. And that's the very big impact that I had made so far in my career, because I was able to learn that as well during our training in the neurolinguistic. So that's why siguro kung wala ang mga tools na yan noon na natutunan ko dito sa NLP, I will never be able to bridge this group of people. So wala lang. Okay, hindi sila magkakaintindihan, okay lang. Wala rin naman kasi akong alam. So but with the right tool and the right mindset, magagawan mo ng paraan, and then you will able to have that impact sa buhay ng tao. Hindi kasi ang impact na nagagawa natin, hindi lang yan sa mga, I have this wonderful output, maganda na yung impact. I believe the greatest impact that we have as an NLP practitioner is we were able to help the life of other individuals to see and also understand other people. So once na nagawa na natin yan, that's the biggest impact that we can have. So yun. And then also with my classmates, no, I let them see na kahit gaano man yan kahirap, we can survive this, you can survive this. with the right mindset and just focus, anchor on the things that you want to achieve. Yun, they were also trying to slowly believe, develop that confidence and believe in themselves that hindi, kahit gaano man kahirap, we will survive this. So those are um, those are the transformation that inspired or impacted other people that is with me in my journey as a teacher and as a law school student.
How about in the context of your family naman, Sir Robert?
Yes, with the context of my family naman, we actually nagugulat na lang sila na, ay, naiintindihan pala ako ng kapatid ko. Nagugulat, yun yung mga yung parang amazement nila na, ay, naiintindihan pala ako ng kapatid ko. And then, recently, we have this we have this Christmas season gathering. And because of NLP, yung mga seniors at saka yung mga bagong sibol, yung mga bagong generation, malayo yan, Doc John, hindi talaga nagkakaintindihan. So, ang ginawa ko is, I let them, what if ganito, ganyan? Tinatanong mo ng ganyan, anong gagawin? And then, parang napaparealize mo, and then, this young individuals, yung mga young cousins, they were able to understand, ito palang pinanggagalingan ng mga lolo't lola namin, mga tito at tita. And then the tito and the titas were able to, of course, you have to gap as well. Ito pala, kaya pala ganito yung mga bata. And then, parang the relationship becomes stronger. Well, it was not me alone. It was with the help of my other cousins. But I applied as well the NLP practice. And then, sabi nga nila, saan mo natutunan yan? Sino nagturo sa yan? In our local language, Doc John, they will say, hindi mo naman yung natutunan. That's often. Yeah. Sabi ko, it's just part of my training. I didn't say I have NLP background. It's just part of my training. So that's it. It helped me. It helps us. It helps my family, my immediate family, yung mga kapatid ko, where I was able to talk to them, and then I lead them to, what will happen, anong gusto mo, and then parang sineset mo yung ito yung goal mo, and then ginaguide na lang na with the clarity, and then ngayon, because of that, I became na parang, anong gagawin ko? Parang ganyan. Sa akin, yun yung
Ikaw na yung coach nila and consultant.
Yeah, parang naging coach ng whole
Family.
Anong gagawin natin? Ganito, ganyan. So parang it helps me a lot. And I didn't say na, hindi ko naman ibig sabihin na sa lahat, dahil ako na yung kinukuha nila, napapagod ka. It gives me happiness as well. Because sabi ko nga, these are aspect of life na ang NLP pala, the one that I've learned in NLP, ay pwede rin pala. So I thought more lang siya sa business, more lang siya sa work-related. Hindi pala. You can apply it as well sa family life, personal life. Actually, sa lahat ng aspect ng life, ma-apply mo pala yung NLP.
The ROI there is not only monetary, no? For you, the ROI kasi na-promote ka, no? And all those opportunities nag-open, but still being able to mediate your relationship with your family, that's a big win. Being able to help ourselves, no, na ma-manage natin, natutulungan yung sarili natin, that's a big win din for us. So grabe yung NLP, yung ROI niya when you apply it in your life, all areas of our lives naapektuhan niya, nababawi. Kumbaga nagte-10x sila in all areas of our life, Sir Robert.
That's right. And those are the ROIs that if you value with money, it's really, you cannot value it. Hindi siya matutumbasan ng anumang halaga, because it's our family, it's ourself, the improvement that we have, the mentality that we had, hindi siya matutumbasan lang ng halaga, because andyan na yan and forever na madadala natin yan. So parang sabihin mo nga, the ROI here is not just monetary. It's also about the things that we experienced, the things that we had with our family. So talagang makikita at makikita mo siya. So hindi ibig sabihin na kagaya ko, I'm practicing the NLP as as professional as life coach, hindi po ako ganon. But I had my ROI when I apply NLP within myself.
Yeah.
So depende naman kasi sa goals ng mga tao ng mga students or kung magpa-practice or hindi. But but yung return ng lahat-lahat ng ito is napupunta pa rin lang laman sa atin, no? Sa ating mga sarili, sa pamilya, at sa ating mga trabaho. So, I mean workplace or and even our friends. So, yun yung mga ROI na iba't ibang klase ng mga ROI ang gusto nating mabalik sa ating investment.
And imaginein mo na lang, Sir Robert, once you finish your law, right? And you become a lawyer, I think 1000x na yan.
In God's grace, Doc
In
Jun.
God's grace, in God's grace. So Robert, if you could go back and give advice to the version of yourself who was struggling, si Robert noong 2022, no? Before nag-meet tayo, ano yung masasabi mo kay Robert?
I think ang masasabi ko siguro sa sarili ko if I will go back is to just trust the journey. I mean, the journey may be tough, but with with faith in God, uh, hindi hindi siya masasabing hanggang doon ka na lang. Just trust the journey, believe in the process. God will lead you and will guide you to have the answers on things that you are questioning right now. Yun yung sa aking sarili.
Amazing. And I feel that the three things kasi, number one, process. No, we have the process. And number two, the mentorship. No, very important. If you have the right process pero hindi mo pa rin alam how to maximize, hindi mo nakikita yung mga blind spots mo, you will still be stuck. And the third is the community. No, kasi we have that community, ongoing community. You can just reach out to your classmates, to me anytime. And I feel that that has been also very essential. Just recap from our time together, these are the three things na nakuha ko. No? Number one is trust the process talaga. Trust the
Yeah.
process, surrender to the process, and also use the tools. No? Use the tools and learn the tools, and after that, do it for yourself. Do
Yes,
it
that's
for
right.
yourself. Imagine, Sir Robert, from you feeling na so lost, so stuck,
Yeah.
and then right now you are just so confident, no? Confident. It just shows that it's possible para na pwede nating baguhin yung kwento natin, Sir Robert, in our life. Ano ba yung key? The key there is to trust the process.
Trust the process.
Trust the
Believe and just trust the process.
Now, Sir Robert, if you could summarize your journey in one sentence, what would it be?
It's been a transformational journey. No, it was a path from full of doubt into full of doubt and uncertainty to confidence. Now confidence and empowerment. You are empowered. We are all empowered when we um, learn to accept and have those proper mindset. We are empowered to achieve more things. So yun, it's been a transformational journey. It was a path full of doubt and uncertainty to confidence and empowerment. I think that's the best sentence so far that can describe my journey.
And what's one powerful belief or mantra you now live by thanks to NLP?
I've been repeating this all throughout our talk, Doc June. Always trust the process and trust God. That's the mantra that I am really living right now.
Amazing. This is also why I love doing this, no? Because sabi ko nga, when I do this, parang ako yung nako-coach din eh. Kasi I also sometimes need also support. And with your stories and how you utilize it, how you were able to transform your life, Sir Robert, it gives me the assurance, no, that to just keep moving forward, to just keep giving value to everyone, no? Kasi you never know, the one person pala na makakausap natin might be the person that we change their life. And what if we stop doing this? We stop being a witness to other people.
Yes. I think, Doc Jun, it's one way also one way that we can affirm that this NLP process, this NLP training really works. And we affirm, like, this is the time that we can affirm that the training that we have learned from you, the one that you've shared on all of us, really works, and it will really help all of us. So I don't. I think you have to continue with your training, Doc June, and touch more lives.
I agree. I agree. Thank you for that assurance, Sir Robert. No, imagine 3 years and then you're still using the techniques. Iba kasi yung parang after 1 to 2 months lang eh. That's why, di ba, if you've noticed, I would ask for a review after 3 months or 6 months pa.
Yeah. Yes.
Kasi that's the time that you can fully utilize or you fully feel the effect eh. Kasi after 1 to 2 months, high ka pa eh. High ka pa.
Mm.
Yan. But when the challenge would come in, were you able to face your challenge?
Yeah, that's right. 1 to 2 months, wala pa yan. You have everything. And then after a couple of months, when challenges are there, challenge ka talaga. Anong gagawin ko? But if you will trust and if you believe na kaya, you go back to what you have learned, you will easily see na may tools tayo dyan. Magagawan ng paraan yan. And then just apply it, keep on repeatedly apply it on ourselves. Sa akin kasi sa sarili ko lang, repeated application and that repeated application became a habit. And now, yun na, I am living with it. So parang those tools na naging hobby ko nang gamitin ay naging madali, no? Naging madali na yung pagharap sa mga challenging situations na i-encounter ko this past years, no, after NLP. So
Amazing.
that's right, Kedya. Keep on applying it within ourselves first.
Now, Sir Robert, for anyone who's listening, no, who feels stuck right now, ano yung message mo sa kanila?
Yes, Doc June. For those na kagaya ko rin dati, na stuck, full of doubt, fear, na parang ano ba? Ano bang tama? May tama pa ba akong ginagawa? Hindi mo lang alam that you have that potential. So trust us. Trust the process. Join us in NLP. Be one of us. Discover your true potential.
Amazing. Now, everyone, it's your turn. What's your breakthrough moment waiting to happen? Now, you just need to trust the process, take the first step, and decide to change your life. It all needs to have a decision. Now, before we formally end, Sir Robert, could people reach you? Do you have any upcoming projects that you want to share with everyone?
For those who want, actually, I have this plan. I'll be posting this on my social media account. We will have a group of me and my group will be going to an outreach program. It's a help also for the IP communities here in Negros Occidental. That's one of our project that we are planning right now. And also, I'm planning to have actually, Doc, I'm planning to have a talk on discovering oneself. It's been the plans is we're working with it right now with my fellow what do you call this with my group. So we will be posting that on our social media accounts. So for now, that's it. I have that's the only projects that I'm working with. Siguro mga next month or couple of months from now, we will be launching a page which we will be dealing more on discovering oneself. So yun yung aming team ng aming grupo. So I hope I will be asking also with the help of Doc Jun on those things. No? So soon we will be in the field of life coaching, talk therapy if makaka-enroll na sa next level ng NLP Doc Jun. So
Thank you,
yun yung
thank
mga
you.
plans.
So everyone, if you're watching this, you can just message me and I'll connect you with Sir Robert, no? If you want to also support their outreach program for the IP, no?
Yes, IP community.
IP community and also their discovering oneself na program. This coming months. So feel free to message me, everyone. Once again, let me introduce myself. I'm June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer and mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach. I've helped thousands gain clarity in their life and transform the lives of more than 100 individuals through our neurolinguistic programming certification program, and help them become transformative leaders in their life by equipping them with powerful tools that they can use to overcome all their emotional and mental struggles and have a laser focus on achieving the life that they want. Allow me to help you break through your mental and emotional barriers, develop unshakable confidence, and master high-performance strategies so you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success using powerful tools in neurolinguistic programming, hypnotherapy, and timeline therapy. If you're ready to level up, let's schedule a quick one-on-one clarity session. Feel free to message and reach out to me anytime.